Hey guys, today I'm here with the Barricade locking fuel door in texture black, fitting all 2007 to 2018 JK Wranglers. So this is going to be for the JK owner who's looking for small but noticeable mods that's going to add a little bit of function and style to the side of their Wrangler. Now this locking fuel door is going to come with 2 keys and protect your fuel at all time, providing you a little bit of security, but it's also going to be there for style. So this is going to be made of a cast aluminum construction, which is very durable. It's going to last a long time, but it's also going to have a textured black powder coat finish on top, obviously to protect the aluminum underneath from any corrosion. But what it's going to do is add a nice contrast to your Wrangler and match with any other textured black accessories, complementing all of those accessories and giving you a little bit of style. Now I do also really like the riveted accent on here. It adds a little bit of aggression, and it also, again, will match with anything else heavy duty that you've already bolted up to your Jeep. So because this is a pretty simple product, this is going to come in at roughly $70 and be pretty affordable for what this is. So fuel doors can range anywhere from $50 to $100 depending on their design. A lot of less expensive choices are usually not going to have that lockable feature like this one does. They're usually just going to be held together with a magnet and be there more for style instead of security. And then other more expensive options are usually going to still be lockable, but they're going to have different finishes or a different construction that will up that price point. In my personal opinion, I think with this being right in the middle that this hits the nail on the head. You're getting something that's going to provide you function with that security, keeping your fuel tank safe from any contaminants, and you're getting a ton of style even in a product as small as this one. So install is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 15 minutes to install. You're going to need 1 tool to get the job done. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. The tool that I used for my install was a Phillips head screwdriver. So this is going to come with 2 keys as well as 4 self-tapping screws, and it is going to come pre-locked, so we're going to unlock it and then we can place it on our trim and screw it in place. So what we're going to do is place this over our trim, make sure that it's straight, and once it's in the position that you want it in, we can open up the door, grab our self-tapping screws, and put them into place. Now you should be able to get one at least started with your hand. Then you can grab a Phillips head screwdriver, give it a little bit of pressure, and screw that into place. All right, once you have one in, what we can do is move to the next, and just repeat that process for the other 3 tabs. And we can do the same thing for the upper 2 tabs. So after those are screwed into place and tightened down, if you took off your gas cap to give you a little bit of extra room, you can put that back on. Close up your fuel door. So there is going to be a little magnet here that will keep it shut if it is unlocked. But if you want to go ahead and lock it up, you're all set to go. So that's going to wrap it up for my quick review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos and products like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.